Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me Syahira Sabra. Hari ni I nak buat a simple makeup tutorial for this look. I'm using eyeshadow palette from Lovely Blusher. So, I hope you guys enjoy this video. Let's get started. Dah buat separuh kening tadi and then I baru realise yang I tak record. So now I make sure yang I record. Okay, by the way, I ada beli new product from Beauty Glaze. This is a eyebrow gel. So I nak try pakai this. Ni kotak dia, and then like ada dapat dia punya brush sekali dalam ni. This one so cute lah. So kita try. Tapi I rasa saya tak nak pakai brush ni. I nak pakai my brush. Brush katanya, brush. Cantik, pekat. Nice. So kita pakai concealer, pakai Doll Skin Foundation from Sendayu Tinggi. This one called Too Pretty. Please ignore me, I tak ada cermin besar kat sini, so I just use this small. Okay, done. So move on, next is foundation. So before pakai foundation, macam biasalah, prep your face dengan moisturizer. This one I pakai moisturizer from Syahira. I akan pakai this kind of foundation too, tapi sebabkan dia terlalu pekat, I think I akan pakai sikit je and I akan mix dengan concealer. So kita blend. Oh sorry, I nak campur dengan concealer sebenarnya. So this concealer I pakai Dot Dot from Dark in code C2. Apa nak coverage sangat sebab I pun tak pakai tebal-tebal, as long as dia cantik je. Okay, so like kawasan yang ada dark-dark ni I akan ambil sikit ni. Usually sebelum pakai bedak, I akan buat dulu blusher tanam and shading tanam. I pakai blusher stick from Famirafa Cosmetic. Okay. I tak bawa my beauty blender, so I think I'm gonna use brush. To the contour. I ada beli this contour stick from Focalor, how to pronounce, I don't know. So mari kita cuba. Code Coffee 03. Oh, macam ni. Wait, Not functioning. Okay. Kita tak pernah gelap sangat. But I try. Dia ada satu bau. I just nak buat macam tu. I don't wanna gomo. It's not easy to blend lah. Oh my god. Buruk jadinya. So next, move on to powder. But I macam tak puas hati dengan shading eye, so I akan ambil this eyeshadow kit from Lovely. I akan pakai coat Puan. You just touch up sikit kat sini, gelapkan sikit. So move on to powder. I akan pakai loose powder from Dark Cosmetic. This one code 01. Then I akan pakai eyeshadow kit from Lovely. First, I ambil code Puan. Mahkota sikit je, letak dekat bahagian depan. Okay. Move on next to the blusher. Akan pakai juga blusher from Lovely. Sikit je. Sebelah tebal. Okay. Dan saya tak sama lah pula. Then I akan pakai bulu mata So see you guys in a second. Okay, I'm done wearing lashes. So next, kita pakai mascara. I usually takkan kepit bulu mata, so just pakai mascara je. By the way, my bulu mata is from Dialova. Cantik tak? Okay. So next kita nak pakai lipstick. Saya nak pakai lipstick from Dark. Thank you so much for watching this video, guys. I hope you guys like it. Please give this video a thumbs up, like, and maybe you guys can share this video. It's just a simple makeup look, by the way. Okay, so stay tuned for next video. See you guys. Bye.